I have 4 tabby cats that are all from the same litter, and we call them the yellow-bellied dum-dums. They're yellow bellies because sometimes when they pee, they get their bellies wet. And because they have white fur on their bellies, it turns it yellow, and then they need a bath. And they're dum-dums because they do cute dumb things, like jumping on things and knocking them over, or begging for food. This is Sir Scratch-a-Lot. He scratches a lot. This is Roundabout. She's the only girl of the group. This is Autocar. He's got the most golden colored fur. This is Camo Cat. He's got the coolest looking eyes. And they've all got that really cool stripe down their back and a circle on their side. So, my roommates just gave me some guinea pigs, and today we're going to see what happens when the tabbies meet the guinea pigs. Watch this. If you like this video, please watch my other videos on YouTube.
I'm not going to be able to get your face.
It's okay, I'm going to squat down.
Okay.
Alright, these are the guinea pigs. There are 4 of them. This is their food, this is their water, and either them or the cats flipped their little hiding spot. This little blue thing is something for them to hide in. Alright, so now I'm going to bring the tabbies in here to meet the guinea pigs. Alright. Bring the tabbies! Bring the 4th tabby. There's one more. Autocar. Here's Sir Scratch-a-Lot. Here's Roundabout. Here's Camo Cat. And we're waiting for Autocar. I hear him on the phone out there. I need the other tabby. No, she wants to run out. She's trying to run out and sliding. Alright, kitties. Should I take a guinea pig out?
I don't know what they'll do. Come on, Kitty.
Let's see what happens when we take out a guinea pig.
Will they think it's food or will they think it's
I
friend?
think they'll think it's food. No, don't swat it. I don't want them to hurt it.
It moves.
I'm going to have to put it back in the cage right away. Yeah, I think we're going to have to put it back in the cage right away before they maul it. All night the cats were trying to swat me through the cage, and they were getting their paws really far in there and actually snagging the guinea pig, so I had to close the bathroom door. But then the cats opened it. That's what they were doing.
There she is.
They're also more interested in swatting my skirt or each other.
Sibling playtime.
They're guinea pigs. She really wants to get them. She's the most interested. That's what they were doing last night. He's got this wild look in his eyes. Look at that wild look. They've all got this wild look in their eyes. Yeah, I'm just going to take some video clips out of this, of the cutest stuff. They're more interested in playing with each other than the guinea pigs right now. But when I leave and I'm not recording anymore, and I close the bathroom door, I'll suddenly hear rattling and squeaking, and I'll find that they have opened the bathroom door and come in here and tried to attack the guinea pigs again. As you can see, they're hiding in the center in fear for their lives.
Adrienne,
Come in.
I'm gonna go pick up these two goats real quick.
Bring me 2 tabbies. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please watch my other videos on YouTube. Please also donate money to my GoFundMe page for these tabby cats who I adopted. They eat a lot of food, they've needed a lot of medical care, and they make a huge mess that needs to be cleaned up. So I've made a GoFundMe page to help pay for their food, medical care, and some professional house cleaning for my house. Here's a link to that page, and here are some links to my other YouTube videos. Please enjoy them. Alright, I've got to go. Bye.